Welcome back, future medicos. Recently, MCI has given a clarification on the requirement for studying MBBS in a foreign university. So that is what we are going to look at in this video. There are a couple of cases in Delhi High Court recently. The first one is called writ petition number 4708 bar 2020. In this particular case, the petitioner has asked to grant one-time exemption to Ms. Ishika Kumari from the requirement of having to clear NEET for admission to overseas medical course in foreign university for the current academic session, that is 2020-2021. If you look further, she intends to pursue undergraduate medical course from Bukhara State Medical Institute in Uzbekistan. The last date of admission for undergraduate medical course is August 20, 2020. According to the petitioner, as the NEET examination in the country is scheduled for September 13, 2020, it may not be possible for her to meet the set eligibility. So this was the first case that went to Delhi High Court. And then following this, the court has said, or the court has directed the Medical Council of India in consultation with the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to consider the writ petition as a representation and dispose of the same within a period of 3 weeks. So there was a request by one candidate because she is going to study in a foreign university. And because there is a delay to NEET examination, she has asked for an exemption from NEET to study in the foreign university. The court has directed the MCI to consider this and get back within 3 weeks. Now let's look at the second case. The second case again came up at New Delhi High Court. This is writ petition number 5618 bar 2020. Is a very similar case. Again here, the petitioner has asked for a grant of one-time exemption to Ms. Lakshmi Nandita Iskapalli as an exception from the requirement of having to clear NEET for admission to Newcastle University Medicine, Malaysia for the current academic session 2020-21. They have also said alternatively, Ms. Lakshmi Nandita should be permitted to take admission in Newcastle University Medicine, Malaysia for the current academic session, that is 2020-21, and further as an exception be given an opportunity to clear NEET in the next 3 sessions. So they have asked, give the permission to take admission, but the candidate will clear NEET within the next 3 years. Why they have said next 3 years? Because as we know that the marks obtained in NEET are valid for 3 academic years as far as foreign admissions are concerned. Locally, it's only valid for 1 year. But if you are seeking admission in a foreign university, you can use it for 3 years. Now, these are the 2 cases that came up in Delhi High Court. Now, let's see what exactly MCA has said. Now, the MCA has said, in fact, they have replied to the first candidate, which is Ishika Kumari, where the High Court has given MCA 3 weeks. So in this particular case, they have written to the candidate saying that the candidate, that is Ms. Ishika Kumari, owing to the extraordinary situation of COVID-19 pandemic, may proceed abroad for taking admission in foreign medical institute for obtaining primary medical qualification. So basically, they have given exemption from NEET. But is it exemption from NEET? That's what we need to read and understand fully. However, it is incumbent upon her to qualify the NEET UG in 2020 or 2021. Even though she was allowed to take admission, it doesn't mean she should not qualify NEET. She must still qualify NEET either this year or next year. So there is an exception here. Either this year she can clear or the next year. So 2 options are given. In case she fails to qualify NEET UG in 2020 or 2021, her decision to continue her foreign medical courses thereafter shall be at her own risk, as she shall not be entitled to appear for the screening test and thereby would not be entitled for grant of provisional or permanent registration by the concerned state medical council. So even though you can go ahead and get admission now in a foreign university without NEET, but you must clear it. Either you have to take the exam in September 13, or at least you should take the exam in the upcoming year and clear it. If you don't clear, then of course your degree would not be recognized and you would not be able to write the exit examination. Is this only for the petitioners? No. The MCA has clearly said the aforesaid decision shall be applicable to all the candidates who are taking admission in a foreign institute or university for pursuing foreign medical qualification for which possessing the NEET qualification is a prerequisite. So it's very clear. You can go ahead and take admission in a foreign university, no problem, without clearing NEET. Only for this year they have allowed this, but subsequently you have to write the NEET exam and clear it. Either take the exam this year or the following year and clear it, and probably you need to submit the proof to maybe MCI. So that's what the decision is given. If anybody is interested in foreign medical university, I hope this information will be useful to you. My best wishes to you. I see you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.